Hey everyone, welcome to this Python series where we are going to learn programming from absolute scratch. If you have never written a single line of code before, so you are in the right place. By the end of this series, you will be able to build real projects, automate tasks, and maybe even land your first coding job. In today's video, we will set up our complete development environment. We will install Python, set up our VS Code, and write our first program. We will also learn about commands. So let's dive in. So firstly, we want to know that what even is Python. So Python is a programming language that let you communicate with computer. Just like we use English to communicate with each other, we use Python to communicate with computer. If someone has a question that why we use Python instead of other language like Java, C and C++, so the reason is simple. Python is beginner friendly. It almost read like English. It's a powerful language used by MNCs like Google, Netflix, Insta, and it's have versatile nature. Versatile nature means we can build anything like website, analyze data, build apps, create AI models, automate tasks, and also even building games. So the Python is one of the most in demanded programming skills in the job market right now. So let's learn properly. Before writing code, we need to install Python on our computer. So just open browser. I use uh, Chrome browser and search python.org. Scroll your cursor on downloads and see and you will see the get the standalone installer for Python 3.142. So just click it and it automatically detects your operating systems which you use like Windows, Mac or Linux. So once your Python is downloaded, then go to the download and run the installer. It's very important to check out the both boxes. So right click and run as a customized installation. You will tick all these boxes like documentations, paper, and further all of this, and get the next, download next, and install. So waiting for the installation to complete. So our setup was successfully installed on our computer. So let's check if Python installed correctly or not. So press the window, search search command prompt cmd and write a python space minus minus version. You should see something 3.14.2 or similar. If you see this perfectly, so the Python is installed. Now we need a proper code editor. We will use VS Code. It is free, powerful, and used by professional developer worldwide. So go to the browser, search VS Code, go to the first website, code.visualstudio.com, go to the download section and download for your operating system. I have Windows, so I go with Windows. It will take several minutes in my system. So once it complete, download and install it like any other applications. So just download, run. I click on the I accept the agreement. Next, choose your folder where your VS Code to be installed. Next, next, and it's very important to check all of this. If you want to create a desktop icon, which will create on your which show in your desktop. So just click also this and get next and installed. So when it is set up and finished, so open the VS Code. You will see like this on your first Windows. So go to the extension icons, which are like four box in the left side. Go here and type Python and installed Microsoft verified by Microsoft Python. It was downloaded in my VS Code previously, so I don't want to download it, install it again. The extensions give you superpower for writing Python code, like auto completion, error detections, and more. So when it is when it was complete, so go to the file explorer, uh, and in the document section, create a folder named Python course. Open it and press the shift and right click. So you see the option open with code. So go with with this option. So it automatically open our folder which we create in the document section. Python course, you will see in the left corner. So go to the Python course, which gives a option to create a new file. So just click on it and type your file name. We create a lecture 1.py. So the .py extension tells VS Code this is a Python file. So just enter. So you notice the file icon is changed. VS Code now knows this is a Python file. So all right, time to write our first program in our lecture number one file. So type exactly this. Firstly, you will type and then I will explain this code in detail. So just write print hello world and that's it. If you wrote the code, now let's run it. There are two ways to run. So look at the top right corner of the VS Code. You will see a play button. So click it. It so the code is automatically run in the terminal. And another one is a shortcut trick. So just click Control Alt and N. It also automatically run in the terminal. You just see hello world appear in the terminal at the bottom. So, congratulations, you just wrote and execute your first Python program. Let me explain what happened. So, function that tells computer to display or print in a terminal. The parentheses are used to put information for the function. The quotes tells Python this a text or we called it a string. So, whatever you just write inside the quote, it display as it is in the terminal. So let's try to put different text in the quotes. So for an example, print my name is Parth. Print I am learning Python. Python. So run it again. See, each print statement creates a new line for output. So it print in a sequence like one by one. The print functions work different with numbers and text. When printing text, we must put it inside the quotation mark. But when printing number, we didn't need quotation mark. We just write print and the number and run it. The output is 10. The print function can also be used to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtractions, multiplication, division. For an example, 10 plus 5. The output is 15. Also for subtraction, 10 minus 5. We got 5. For the multiplication, 10 into 5. So we got 50 in output. And for the division, we got 2 in output. So if someone has a question that if we use quotation marks, so let's find it. So print quotation mark 15 plus 10. So what's the answer? You just comment it. And when we run it, so Python will print it as a text, not calculate it. So now we just talk about comments. So comments are notes you write in your code that Python completely ignore. They are for humans, not for the computers. In Python, anything after a hash symbol is a comment. For an example, this is a comment, but Python read this. So when we execute this, so we got, but Python read this. Notice that only the print function execute. The comments are invisible to Python. If someone has a question why we use comments, so there are three reason. First, explain what your code does. If we calculate a number, so we just comment it. This function is adding two numbers, and this. And the second reason, temporarily disable code without deleting. If we want only this code, this Python 11th lines code, so someone will delete all of this like this and run it, and then run it. But in the case of comments, we just comment out uh, the whole thing in a like this. We comment all of this for hiding our code to print an specific print function. So like this. And the third one is leave note for your future self. So the Python has two types of comments, like single line comments and multi-line comments. In this, we use in the 10th line, we use single line comment. Every text after the hash is a single line comment. And we do this for the multi-line comment. We use three quotation mark for the multi-line comments. So the multi-line comments are actually called dog string and they have specific use in Python. But for now, just know you can use them for the multi-line of comments. So before the next video, create a new file called practice.py and write 10 print statement about yourself. Execute the code, break things and fix them and learn. In lecture number 2nd, we will learn about variables, data types, how to make Python remember information. This is where programming gets really powerful. So if this video helps you, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions or show me what introduction program you create. See you in lecture number 2. Happy coding.